Hurricane-strength winds, which battered southern Britain on Monday, left a trail of destruction before heading eastwards onto mainland Europe. In all, more than a dozen people have been killed, mainly due to falling trees or being swept out to sea. Others had lucky escapes. Dubbed St.Jude in the UK, the storm was for some reason given the name Christian as it slammed into Germany and France with winds of up to 160 kilometres per hour, bringing torrential rain. In Denmark, as in other places, the wild weather brought out onlookers despite warnings to stay indoors. One student said, "I think it's 10 times worse than we're used to." For those who felt they had to go outside, they risked flying debris. Homes and businesses are now counting the cost of the damage. Although European insurers say it's too early to give accurate figures on the losses, it's likely to reach more than €1 billion. Fortunately, no one was hurt when the scaffolding in Copenhagen collapsed.